Hello and welcome back, Excel enthusiasts. I hope you're as excited as I am to dive into Chapter 2 of our Excel tutorial series. In our previous chapter, we laid the foundation, but today, we're going to take things up a notch. We'll explore advanced features and techniques that will make you a spreadsheet superstar in no time. Whether you're here to brush up on your skills or you're just starting your Excel journey, you're in the right place. So, grab your mouse, pull up a chair, and let's unleash the full potential of Excel together. Get ready to level up your Excel game. Chapter 2 starts right now. Chapter 2, Excel Basics Tutorial 2.1 Entering and Formatting Data. Entering data. Inputting text, numbers, and dates. To enter data into an Excel cell, first, click on the cell where you want to input the data. For text, simply start typing. For numbers, enter the numeric value. For dates, enter the date in your preferred format. Excel usually recognizes common date formats automatically. Formatting cells. You can format cells to change their appearance, such as font size, style, color, and number formatting. To format cells, first, select the cells you want to format. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the font group, you can change the font size, font color, and apply bold, italics, or underline. In the alignment group, you can align text horizontally, left, center, right, and vertically, top, middle, bottom, within cells. The number format dropdown allows you to format numbers as currency, percentages, dates, and more. Using the Format Painter tool. The Format Painter tool is a handy feature for quickly applying formatting from one cell to another. Here's how to use it. Select a cell with the desired formatting, e.g., font style, cell background, color. On the Home tab, find the Format Painter button. It looks like a little paintbrush in the clipboard group. Click the Format Painter button once. Your cursor will change to a paintbrush icon. Now, click on the cell or range of cells where you want to apply the same formatting. Excel will copy the formatting from the original cell to the selected cell, S. Understanding data entry and formatting is essential for creating clear, organized, and visually appealing spreadsheets. Properly formatted data makes it easier to read, analyze, and present information. The Format Painter tool saves time by allowing you to apply consistent formatting across multiple cells or ranges without manual adjustments. It's a valuable feature for maintaining a professional look in your Excel workbooks. 2.2 Basic Mathematical Operations. Performing simple calculations in Excel. Excel is a powerful tool for performing mathematical calculations. You can use it as a calculator and much more. To perform a calculation, click on the cell where you want the result to appear. This is usually adjacent to or near the data you want to calculate. Start a formula by typing an equals sign equal symbol. This tells Excel that you're about to enter a calculation. Then, you can enter numbers directly. E.g., equals 5 plus 3 calculates the sum of 5 and 3. Reference cells containing numbers, e.g., equals A1 plus B2 adds the values in cell A1 and B2. Combine numbers and references, e.g., equals 10 asterisk, C3 plus D4, multiplies 10 by the sum of values in cells C3 and D4. Asterisk using operators, plus, dash, / in formulas. Excel supports a range of operators for performing mathematical operations. Addition, plus use the plus sign to add numbers or cell references together, e.g. equals A1 plus B1 inch. Subtraction, minus sign is for subtraction, e.g., equals A1 B1. Multiplication, asterisk the asterisk represents multiplication, e.g., equals A1 asterisk B1. Division, / the / denotes division, e.g., equals A1 / B1. You can also use parentheses to group operations and control the order of calculation, e.g., equals A1 plus B1 asterisk C1. Formulas can become more complex by combining these operators and functions. Excel follows the standard order of operations, PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction, to evaluate formulas. Understanding how to use basic mathematical operations in Excel is fundamental for a wide range of tasks. from simple calculations to complex financial modeling. Excel's formula capabilities make it a versatile tool for performing numeric calculations and data analysis. Mastery of these operations is a critical step towards becoming proficient in Excel. 2.3 Cell Referencing. Explaining cell references. In Excel, a cell reference is a way to identify and locate a specific cell within a worksheet. Cell references are used in formulas to perform calculations and manipulate data. They consist of two parts. Column letter represents the column of the cell. Columns are labeled with letters, starting with A for the first column, B for the second, and so on. Row number represents the row of the cell. Rows are numbered, starting with 1 at the top. For example, a 1 refers to the cell in the first column and first row. B2 refers to the cell in the second column and second row. C4 refers to the cell in the third column and fourth row. Cell references are used in formulas to perform calculations with the values in those cells. For instance, if you want to add the values in cells A1 and B2, you would use the formula equals A1 plus B2. Working with cell ranges, e.g., A1 A10. Excel allows you to work with ranges of cells by specifying a starting cell and an ending cell, separated by a colon. For example, A1 A10 represents a range of cells in column A from cell A1 to cell A10. B2 D5 represents a rectangular range of cells from cell B2 to cell D5, covering multiple rows and columns. Cell ranges are commonly used in formulas and functions to perform operations on multiple cells simultaneously. For instance, if you want to find the sum of values in the range A1 A10, you would use the formula equals sum A1 A10. Understanding cell references and ranges is essential for creating formulas and performing calculations in Excel. They allow you to work with and manipulate data efficiently, especially when dealing with large datasets. Mastery of cell referencing is a fundamental skill for any Excel user and serves as a basis for more advanced Excel functions and operations. 2.4 Building a budget spreadsheet. Creating a simple budget template. Creating a budget spreadsheet in Excel involves setting up a structured template to track income and expenses. Here's how you can start. Open a new Excel workbook. In the first column, typically column A, label the rows with categories such as income, expenses, category, amount, and total. In the category column, list various income sources and expense categories, e.g., salary, rent, groceries, utilities, entertainment. Leave the amount and total columns initially blank. You'll enter data and formulas here later. Entering income and expenses. Once you've set up the template, you can start entering your income and expenses. In the category column, under income, list your sources of income, e.g., salary, freelance income. In the amount column, enter the corresponding income amounts. In the category column, under expenses, list various expense categories, e.g., rent, groceries, utilities, transportation. In the amount column, enter the corresponding expense amounts. Formatting the budget for readability. To make your budget spreadsheet more readable and organized, apply formatting. Use formatting options like bold or italic text for headers, and apply cell borders to separate sections. Currency formatting. Format the amount and total columns as currency to display values with appropriate symbols, e.g., $4 for $. Color coding. Use colors to distinguish between income and expenses. For example, you might use green for income and red for expenses. Alignment. Ensure that data in columns align properly, numbers should be right aligned, and text should be left aligned. Totals. Use formulas, e.g., sum function, to calculate totals for both income and expenses in the total column. Conditional formatting. Apply conditional formatting to highlight specific cells or values based on criteria, e.g., highlighting expenses that exceed a certain threshold. By creating a well-structured and formatted budget spreadsheet, you can effectively track your financial situation, monitor your income and expenses, and make informed financial decisions. Excel provides powerful tools for organizing and visualizing your budget data, helping you gain better control over your finances. That's a wrap for Chapter 2. You've learned the essentials of data entry, formatting, and basic formulas. In our next installment, Chapter 3, we'll explore more advanced functions and unleash the full potential of Excel. Make sure to follow so you won't miss out on the next chapter.